Hey there, welcome to Tech Upbeat. This is a demo video of KineMaster video editing application. Many housewives and men who are staying at home are using KineMaster video editing application for editing their videos and publishing online to different video platforms like YouTube and various other social media platforms. So this is a demo video of KineMaster video editing application. I'm gonna walk you through from basic to advanced features of this video editing application so that you can make most use of this application for editing your videos for various purposes. So on Play Store you need to install this KineMaster video editor and then you have to hit the open button. I'm gonna give allow for accessing storage or media. Click on start. These are the premium features that they are going to offer, but I'm not going to pay at this point of time because this is just only a demo video. Okay, these are some projects I've done earlier. So I'm gonna start with a fresh project. So I'm gonna hit on the plus here for creating a new project. So we have different aspect ratios here for YouTube or Instagram Reels or Instagram posts or vertical videos or for different social media platforms. So I'm editing this one for YouTube and I'm gonna go with 16:9. So immediately it opens up this storage thing. I'm gonna go to the camera. I'm gonna select couple of clips. Whenever you import any new video, it adds to the end of the previous clip. Click on this tick mark OK. So now I have two video clips in my project. So if you have to see settings related to this video clip, you need to click on the clip. I mean select the clip and you have this option so that you can hold on to this edge and you can simply swipe towards right to reduce the duration. That is one thing. So if I have to delete any layer on KineMaster, I can select on that clip and click on delete option and tada, it got deleted. So right now I'm selecting the clip and then we have options for speed. You can slow down the clip or you can speed up the clip, or you can mute audio of that clip, or you can keep up the pitch, and you can click on OK for applying it. Okay, and we have reverse thing, but it takes a little bit of time for processing, so I'm not going to do that. I'm canceling it. And we have color filters here, like I'm going to basic and apply this P04 for entire clip. So if you only have to want to apply this color for only one clip or particular portion of clip, again you have this redo option. I'm redoing the clip. So for example, I want to add for first 5 seconds only, then I need to go to the scissor and trim split the playhead so that I can add only color to this portion of the clip. Go to color filter and I can apply this new filter here, and again I'm selecting the other clip. If you click on the plus button, you can see some transition effect from clip to clip, like so let's play and see the transition. So you can add these transition effects to your clip, which is good. And again I'm selecting the other clip and you can see some clip graphics here, like title effects or something like that, and you can rotate any clip, but we don't want to do that right now. Select the clip again, adjustments. You can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, extra. Select the clip again and you can have this equalizer for adjusting various aspects of your audio, like improving the bass, or these are some predefined music filters. I'm boosting the bass. And you can go for volume envelope, and if you want to boost the audio you can do that. And again you need to go back to the end of this clip and boost it till 200 so that the audio maintains at 200 for throughout the clip. Or if you want to improve the volume or boost the volume, you can select the clip and click on audio, and then you can improve the audio of the entire clip, which is a great thing. Instead of messing up with the equalizer or the volume envelope, you can just increase the volume here. And we have different reverbs here, like whether you want this bathroom effect or the church effect or hall effect or echo room effect, we can do that. Or select the clip again, and you can change your voice to alien voice or chipmunk or chorus confusing or something like that. You can give it a WinZ, or we don't do that. So if you want to extract only audio from this video clip, you can do that. So let's now add any text or image or video as a layer on top of this video clip. So if you want to do that, click on layer and go to media. I'm gonna add an image. So this image got added as a new layer here. You can resize it, and when you select this image, you can have certain options like you can rotate the image or select the clip again, and you can crop it if you want. Or select the clip again, and you can have animation effects like slide right. Or select the clip again, you will have this color filter options which you can apply. Or select the image again, you will have adjustments like color brightness that you have seen in the video clip options, and blending options you can have like overlay or multiply, something like that, but we don't need right now. So I'm just dragging this and resizing. So let's go and add one more layer, a video layer. I'm gonna go to the camera again and select one lengthy video, not this one. So you can add a video as a layer on top of existing video. You can do that. So you will have the same options that you have for video clips, like animations or the croppings or the color adjustments or the equalizers or video options, something like that. So I'm gonna delete this layer because I don't need that right now. Now if you want to add any text, you can click on text, select the text layer. For text layer options, I'm gonna take the red color. I'm gonna go to the fonts and select one font here. I'm gonna give it an animation, and I'm gonna select the text layer again, and text options, we don't mess it because it's related to the alignment. You can give it an outline. You can give it a shadow. Or you have a glow option, or you can give a background color. So similar to video clip layers, you can select this any other layer and drag for increasing duration or decreasing the duration. This applies to text, video, or any other layer. Now let's add a background music here. Mind that when you add any background music, wherever the playhead is, background music gets added from that particular time. So I'm gonna go to the beginning of this project, click on audio. We have recorded our songs or something like. Let's go to the music, get music. Premium ones I can't download, but I'm downloading the free one. Oh, it's done. Let's go again. Now it is showing here. Click on Moonflower and click on plus. Okay, now you see this background music got added here. Now let's add some visual effects. I'm selecting this clip, and if you want to add visual effects on top of any layer, you can click on layer and effect option, get more. There are different options like effects or transitions or stickers or text effects or music. Let's go to the effects and let's take some free effect. Okay, this is a premium one. Let's go back. Seems everything is premium here. Okay, this is free. So you can select the effect and you have options for effect settings. You can reduce the intensity, like opacity. You can reduce the intensity of effect. You can select the shape of the effect, and you have these effect animations. Also you can select the music clip, and you have options for reverb or increasing the sound of the music or reducing the sound according to your requirement. I mean the volume. You can change the voice of this music file, or you can loop it so that it gets added to the entire project. Loop to end for having a seamless background music throughout the entire video. Finally, we want to show a subscribe animation on our videos so that people get to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So how do we do that? Everything is a layer in KineMaster video editing application. So click on layer, go to media. I have this green subscribe animation with me. I'm selecting that. Sorry, I don't want to add at the beginning, so I'm selecting this layer, deleting it. I'm going all the way to some 17 seconds. Layer, media, selected this green animation and placing it here. And when you select this green animation, you have to go to the chroma key and enable chroma key. It automatically detects the key color, and then when you click on OK and play to see the animation. Now you can see this subscribe animation on top of your video, which is a cool thing, right? So you can do this chroma thing for images as well. I mean, if you want to fade out particular color from any image or video, you can just select that thing and go to chroma key and select the color that you want to eliminate. So basically I have selected a green video, so I have selected this green thing. Sometimes it automatically detects the I mean the key color automatically. Sometimes you have to do it manually. So that's all folks. I have shown you how to import videos into KineMaster video editing application, how to add layers like text layer, image layer, video layer, different settings to these layers, and how to add background music, how to add subscribe or any social media buttons animations on your video. So I have completely walked you through from importing till editing. Now I'm gonna show you how to export your video. So which means that I've done my project. This is a licensed application, so I'm seeing this KineMaster logo on top of my video. Only if you buy a premium license you can uh, get rid of this watermark, KineMaster watermark. So to export your video you need to click on the upward arrow button here, and you have a bunch of resolutions and frame rates. The QHD and FHD, they are locked for premium users only, so I'm selecting the HD and 30 frames per second, and always have high bitrate. So now the file size is about 114 MB, 95.82 GB free on my device. So export, click on export. Now it is getting exported. It's gonna take some time. Okay, the video got exported with the name untitled 3 underscore 720p. So if you're a premium user, I recommend you to go for full HD 60 frames per second. Or if your smartphone is capable of shooting 4K videos, you can go for QHD and 30 frames per second. So I'm gonna play the video and see. I'm selecting gallery. I think I have selected for speeding of the clip. So that is a demo video of KineMaster video editing application, and I hope you make most use of this video editing application after watching my video. If you enjoyed watching my video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future updates, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks.